Hello, my dear lovely children, my dear students. I hope all of you are learning well mathematics through ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel. So I'm getting few calls and few comments from the known like students who are watching my video and who are meet or met me in the street or on the way. This is yes, it's going good. Okay, so these all questions is not related to only Navodaya. It's with it applicable to IAS, IPS, KS, SDC, FDC, whatever the question competitive exams is there related to all those categories. Students can go through once my video and they can succeed in their life. So as I says, like maths is for a day-to-day activities. It's required, that's important. Okay, let's will begins with the date 7. Question number is 59. Okay, so question number 59 and date is 7, paper is 2011. As usually I says, if you miss something in a day, then you won't be lose anything. But if you miss me and my ANUBHAVA SAARA YouTube channel, watching at least 20 minutes in a day, and you can able to learn all mathematics related to the basics, which is very important for your career and your curriculum and in your future competitive exam also. Okay, don't miss me and my video. Okay, once again welcome to Anubhava Sara YouTube channel. Let us understand the question number 59, what question says and what will be the condition and how we can solve these questions based on the that simple method. Okay, that's how we are doing till today. We always follow with the simple method. The question number 59 says the sum total of the sum total of 975 983 983 923 923 913 and 985. Don't think this is your just addition. Okay, so there will be a logic questions behind that to its nearest to its nearest 100 will be. See here the question is they are asking for a after adding this, which is the nearest 100 will be matching the options. I'll write it now the options, then later we'll discuss the question how we can solve it this with in very easy method. Option A, B, C, D. A is 4500. Option B is 4600. Option C is 4700. After D is 4800. So these are the options. So how we are going to finalize or decide which is the nearest number? That is what question is demands or question says what we have to do it. The question is very simple. The sum of total this number to its nearest 100, which one? So I hope you know how to make it nearest 100, nearest 10, nearest 1000, nearest lakh. If you have not learned, well and good. If you have not learned, then I cannot explain you in this video from the basic, because it's difficult you to understand from the beginning. Okay, what I'll do is I'll just solve this question now, and later we'll discuss in the classroom when I'm going to teach with the teach in the classroom for a government school students. Okay, that time we will discuss in detail. That will be the best idea. So what I'll do is I'll just do it here, and parallelly I'll explain you how we can make it the round figure. And as I remember the similar questions in the year of 2010, there was one questions they asked how you can make it nearest, or how you can make it nearest 10. Okay, the question was nearest 10, and I told, I have explained you very clearly. See, whatever we are going to do it, I'll just explain. 3 6 5 or 3 2 4, or I'll make it as a 5. Okay, so in this, which one I can make it as a nearest 10, I'll show you. Okay, rather than 100, I'll show you this 10, then I'll convert into 100 again. Okay, so this number as 10 is any number more than 5 or more is goes to the next number, or you have to add 1. If anything 5 or less, it will become to 0. Understood? So that means anything comes, if you are planning to do the 10 round figure, tens, this is ones and tens, then what you have to do is, if anything comes more than 5, 6 or 5, here anything more than 5, that will make it as a round off. That means here 370 will make it here 320. Why 370 and why 320? Because 365, 325. What the condition says? Condition says 5 in the tens place, where we are making here 10 has a round figure or nearest. What we are doing, 5 or more, whichever comes the number, it will add one number. That means 3 6 is there, 7 is comes, rather than 5 it will come 0. Okay, here 325 is there, 3 2 5, rather than 3 comes, it comes 2 only, because it's a less than 5. So that's why this will comes here. So the same manner I'll explain you this. Now what I'll do is I'll just add this, and based on the number itself you can understand which is the nearest. So here we are asking the 100 nearest. That means whichever comes the number, third number, I'll write here. You can just plan accordingly. 5, 8, 9, 10, 11, 11, 14, 14, 19, 1, 8, 9, 10, 12, 20, 27. Forty-seven. So now you can understand what the condition was says, 5 or more. Okay, anything comes 5 or more, it will add plus 1. Anything comes 5 or less, it will be remain the same. That means there is no addition, there is no subtraction. It's 0 only. That means the same number. It's not going to be changed. Whatever comes less than 4 or less than 4. It may be 4 or 4 than less. Because here 5 or more. Right? 5 or more means we are adding 1. 4 or anything comes like 3, 2, 1, 0, whatever, it comes to the 0 only. It's not going to be changed. The same thing here, what we are doing, Okay, so here 4779 is there. That means what we will do here, 4 rather than 7 we will write 800, right? So answer will be the D. Then if the answer, what was answer would be matching to this. I hope you understood already. I'll just show you. If it comes more than 7, that means 5 or more. We have added that is 4800. If we supposed to get the number like 4700, then our output or total answer would be like this: 4479. So if this answer comes, then here what is there? 47. Okay, so it won't come this. 4600 also we cannot come. 4500 also it's all more than 5. So that we cannot make it. That other options it won't match. So for that is the reason they have given the option is in or increasing numbers, not less than that. Clear? So I'll repeat once again. The sum of the total these 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to its nearest 100. So once we added all this number, we got 4779 and the answer will be like 4800. The reason is whenever we are going to make the nearest number, the number whichever the condition says in the question, here the question is raises for 100 place. The 100 place should be more than 5 or more. Then we can go with the another number, the plus 1, that is 48. If it is 4 or less, then will come with the less only. So here 4779, that means it's a 4800. Here, so this is how you have to be planned accordingly, and this condition you should be remember always. Anything comes 5 plus or 5 or more, that will be addition of 1 with the demand of the place value, and whichever the 4 and less, it should be the remain same. Clear? Okay, we'll go with the question number 60. Fine, let us understand the question number 60. What exactly they are expecting from us or from the exam who is attending the student, and what is the logic they are expecting, and what will be the question with the condition. So we have to understand the question condition, then only we can able to analyze or understand how we can able to answer to this question and what method we can apply. So that is very important. So that's why I expect you to read the question if you are unable to understand twice. Okay, this question is like very simple. 80,900 80,900 8,905. 8,905 is represented in the number from hash. So this we have to write in the number, right? So they have given in the writings. So what you have to do is you have to choose the option which is the correct one. That option should be 80,905. Okay, this is very simple, but there's slightly a confusion. Then I'll teach you the very simple method how you can able to understand and how you can make it correct. without any mistakes. Okay, let us see the option A, B, C, D. A is how much? 8095. Option B is 80905. Option C is 809005. Then option D is 8009005. See, question is very simple and they are making you to get confused in a different way. Here they had given 4 numbers, here 2, 4, 5 numbers, here 2, 4, 6 numbers, here 3, 6, 7 numbers. That means every options is start from the 8, but their second the number is 0. But you have to understand 80,905, how you can write it in a proper way, or how you can able to understand this is the option which is the correct answer for this question, how you can analyze. So you have to write with the basic simple method what it stands for 80,000. Okay, I will start from 10,000. Okay, this is 10,000, 1,000, then 100, then 10, then ones. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Clear? So first you have to write this clearly. 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones. We'll start with the from the beginning only. Similarly, what we write hundreds, sorry, ones, tens, hundreds, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, that means how many numbers we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, whichever is the option, 5 number, this. Job is over. Your answer is clear and you won't be having any headache. And you don't need to think at all. Blindly you can choose this option because your basic mathematics says 80,000. 80,000 means it's a 10,000s place. Okay, 80,000s. This is 905. That means you have the number starts from the 80,000 means it's a 10,000s place. So that means what you can do is here 80,000s. What is that? 900s and 5. So 0, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Clear? So this is the reason I used to explain each and everybody, the teachers who teaches in the classroom, I just suggest them teach in a different way where the student everybody should can be catch or understand your the way of teaching. You should not teach something and you can tell this is 80,000 is started, here 80,900 is there, or here 8 lakh is there. No, you should not tell that, because if you tell here 8 lakh 9,005 and here 80 lakh 9,005, if you tell in that, then definitely they'll get confused. Which is 80 lakh, which is 80,000, which is 8 lakh, or which is 80 lakh. They will get confused. Don't make confused to the student because they are the beginner. So for beginners, you have to make them to understand in a different way with the simple logic. The simple logic and method will be like this. What you can tell them? So it starts from the 10,000. That's why I wrote from left to right. Usually what we do, right to left we write from 0, sorry, ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000. This is how we write and we thought in the classroom for a student at the time of the beginning. So what we have to do in such a case, we have to tell them where we start, then start writing from them. 80,000, then 10,000. 80 means tens only, right? Then it comes 1,000. After 1,000 what comes? Hundreds. After 100 what comes? Tens. After tens what comes? 0. That means they will able to catch the point stating that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers his stands for a this question. So here 4 numbers are there, here 6 is there, here 7 is there. That means only 5 numbers is belongs to the B option. So that's why they will choose the answer B without having any doubts and without wasting their time. Okay, this is how the student will get tens at the time of attending the examination, either Navodaya, IAS, IPS, KS, FDC, SDC, whatever the questions it is related to any competitive examination. What they does is they will be having a tens because they won't be having much time to spend for each and every question. So that's why I expect all of you teachers to suggest them in a such a way that they have to be understand, yes, for this question this is the logic. I learned this I have to do it. That's why nowadays the students are doing the bad for mathematics also. They are unable to understand the basics. Teach them basics with the simple manner where they can able to understand. I hope you are getting my point. Okay. So this is whoever watching my video, for those teachers, I expect all of you to do this rather than doing the blindly or having some examples whatever in the curriculum textbook, right? Don't want you to do that because students they never understand such kind of mathematics whatever is there in the maths. That's why the textbooks they may not read and they may not understand. That's why they are appointed as a you are appointed as a teacher where you can able to make them to understand in a different manner because you are an expert and you are teaching maybe from so many years. So that's why I expect all of you the teacher who are teaching maths in the classroom, either private school, government school, whatever school it is, make the students to understand in a easiest way. Don't make them to difficult to understand the maths. That's why they are running away from the class and they hesitate to attend your classes, the class which is maths, right? So you make them to understand and you just make them to attract your class where they can come and attend your class. Okay, nevertheless, I'll come back with you next questions with the 61 for next class. Okay, till that keep watching my Anubhava Sara YouTube channel where you can able to understand the maths with very simple and very easiest way where you will be learn maths like this and all basics you will be having a in your mind and let them ask any kind of question you will be having answer with very clarity like how I told you. Rounding of the figures or numbers should be 5 or more it comes plus 1, 4 or less it comes the same number, there is no minus. I hope kids, my dear student, I hope all of you understood the way I teach, and that's why you people are liking my videos and you are keep on watching Anubhava Sara. Thanks for that, and I expect you to, and I suggest you, and I expect you, all of you or each one of you to just refer all your friends, neighbors, and who are studying with your classroom, but let them at least they can understand the maths through my YouTube channel. Okay, make them happy and help them to understand maths in a simple way where the way I am teaching. Okay, I'll catch you in the next class. Till that, bye.